Welcome to Economics Past Question 2011, Jamb 2011. 2011 question number 5 says demand patterns are determined by the markets on the basis of option A says scale of preference, option B says consumer sovereignty, option C says consumer rationality, option D says price of the commodity. Now, in economics, demand is different from wants or desire, different from wants or needs. So demand is not wants, demand is not desire, demand is not needs. So this question is on effective demand. Effective demand. So effective demand is defined as the desire backed up by the ability and willingness to pay for specific quantities of a good at alternative prices and within a period of time. So from this statement, option B is the right answer on consumer sovereignty. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.